Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Humana Healthy Benefits mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To download the Humana Healthy Benefits mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Humana Healthy Benefits. Press the search button to see the results. Look for the app with the Humana logo. Tap on the app to open its details page. On this page, you will see an option to download or install the app. If you're using an iPhone, tap Get. If you're on an Android device, once the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Humana Healthy Benefits icon to open the app. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you're a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal information. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, explore the app's features. You can now access your benefits, view available services, and manage your health. Enjoy using the Humana Healthy Benefits mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.